Question. Discuss the composition, powers, and functions of the Bar Council of India under the Advocates Act. 1961. 1. Introduction. The Bar Council of India, BCI, is a statutory body established under Section 4 of the Advocates Act. 1961. It is a body corporate having perpetual succession and a common seal. It serves as the apex regulatory body for the legal profession and legal education in India, ensuring that the nobility of the profession is maintained. 2. Composition of the BCI. According to Section 4, the BCI consists of the Attorney General of India, ex officio member, the Solicitor General of India, ex officio member, one member elected by each state bar council from amongst its members. The council elects a chairman and a vice chairman for a period of 2 years. 3. Statutory functions. Section 7. The primary functions of the BCI include standards of professional conduct, to lay down standards of professional conduct and etiquette for advocates. Disciplinary oversight, to safeguard the rights, privileges, and interests of advocates and exercise general supervision over state bar councils. Legal education, to promote legal education and to lay down standards of such education in consultation with universities. Recognition of degrees, to recognize universities whose degree in law shall be a qualification for enrollment as an advocate. Legal aid, to organize legal aid to the poor in the prescribed manner. International relations, to recognize foreign degrees in law on a reciprocal basis. 4. Regulatory powers. The BCI has the power to make rules under Section 15 and Section 49 of the Act regarding enrollment qualifications, the conditions subject to which a person may be admitted as an advocate. Professional etiquette, rules regarding the duty to court and duty to client. Dress code, prescribing the white band and black gown for advocates. Special committees. It appoints various committees like the Disciplinary Committee, Executive Committee, and Legal Education Committee. 5. Disciplinary jurisdiction. If an advocate is found guilty of professional misconduct and the State Bar Council fails to act, or if an appeal is filed, the BCI's disciplinary committee has the power to dismiss the complaint, reprimand the advocate, suspend the advocate from practice for a specific period, remove the name of the advocate from the state roll, debarment. 6. Conclusion. The BCI acts as the bridge between the judiciary and the legal practitioners by maintaining strict control over law colleges through inspections and enforcing a code of ethics. It ensures that the administration of justice remains in the hands of competent and ethical professionals. In the words of the Supreme Court, the BCI is the custodian of the standards of the profession.